What's up, you guys? We back with another video. We actually headed to an appointment right now. I think it's the 6-week appointment. They about to give us some more instructions on the baby girl, tell us what else is going on. So this is like a follow-up appointment. We was supposed to go to the fair again, part 2, but both of our allergies are real messed up. It's like every time I go outside, I get the sniffs. And same with this lady back here. And even Daniela, she been sneezing too, but I think she got whatever I'm allergic to in her system. But I'm about to let her talk to y'all a little bit.
Hey everyone. So we are on a highway. We should be there in like about 10 minutes. We still haven't ate, so we're gonna go get some food after the appointment, and we'll just bring you guys along with us.
Hospital for the doctor's appointment. Ugh. Let's see. We've been having trouble with these strollers.
Trouble where? And she's in. Hey, pretty girl.
You got diapers and stuff?
Yes, I do.
How does it feel to be coming to your first appointment without your baby?
Great.
Great.
I feel like I can walk and breathe.
How does it feel to come to your first appointment not in your mama's stomach? Y'all, it actually feels good coming here. And the baby is out.
Hell yeah.
Like, we don't have to do no vaginal exams.
No, we do.
What?
We didn't check my picture.
Oh, crap. I didn't know that. This little girl just did a big one. We thought she was acting like a good baby. And then she let it rip. She let it rip. She said,
pumping and seeing how much you can get out. You might only get like an ounce on either side, but you can start collecting that every day, the one time in the morning if you want to. I'd say nurse her, wait 30 minutes, pump, and then hopefully by like the next time she wants to eat, there will still be something in there. Okay.
Next day, I was just sitting there and I was like, I'm just gonna make her formula. And then I like tried to switch it to my other breast and I just saw the milk just drip and I was
Just
like,
dripping, and you're like,
it was the happiest thing ever. I was like,
oh,
finally.
yes. So if you had encouragement for other women, it would be just be patient and kind of trust your body.
Yeah, definitely.
Right?
mm-hmm.
Yes, you just have to kind of wait, and it's normal for them to get hungry for a couple of days, and they're not going to starve. It's okay.
That's what I was like, oh, my baby's hungry. I
Yeah.
didn't even give her food.
Yes, but that's just how it works, and like all that suckling will then bring it in. So, well, good. Glad that.
I it was just like, your whole family is like a
Kind of pressuring.
feeling family, and we did it all normal and natural, and I'm like, oh, I didn't. So,
Yeah.
can you at least get some milk?
I know. Yeah. Well, it seems like you're being really successful at that.
She's happy.
Good. Good. And it's like so nice. Do you ever like lay down on the bed and like lay her right next to you and sideline nursing?
Mm-hmm.
That's
Yeah.
like the best, when you're just like, there you go. And then we're all just like playing.
Like the second week she was doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yeah.
the first week we would get up and she would get in the rocking chair and do it like that.
Yeah.
But she was so tired she would just flip over and do it like that.
Yeah. And you're stimulating both sides.
Mm-hmm.
You can go back and forth. Perfect. Good. Let's see. Are you having any bowel movement issues or stools? Soft, hard?
It's hard, it's soft, but it's like every 3 days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you probably need to eat a few more vegetables.
Okay, yeah, I figured.
Yeah, and drinking
hamburgers, okay? Please.
drinking more water can help with that. Something else, sometimes when people breastfeed, they kind of are more constipated for like the whole time that you're breastfeeding. So it's nice that it doesn't sound like you're super, super constipated every single time. But Miralax is like a powder stuff that you can mix in with juice or water, and you can't really taste it. And you could do like a cup of that a day, like it's like a capful, dump it into your water, and that can help with your stools to be a little bit softer if you're feeling like this hurts my bottom to push it, you know? And when you're breastfeeding and tired and stuff, like just decreasing the things in life that are hard, literally hard, can be good. So just keep that in mind.
What's it called?
Miralax. Miralax, yeah, with an M. And there's like generic brands, so you don't have to get the name brand stuff, like, but the CVS brand works just as good. But it's like a container about like this big, and it's just like this like little powder stuff that you mix up and you drink it.
Okay.
Probably has that.
So I'm going back to the car. Vanessa got our doctor a gift for her pregnancy. She's having a baby girl. So yeah. This has to be it.
And sometimes it's just like, you know, the mixed skin color is kind of like that orange, yellow, red, brown, kind of that combo color. But yeah, she looks healthy and normal. Oh goodness. Does she like to burp, or does she spit up much?
Yeah, she burps.
She burps?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
And farts.
Yes.
She's a fart woman.
Ah, Mommy's telling on you. Just like Mom.
Yeah, real gassy.
That's hilarious. Well, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we got you something
Oh, you don't have to do that.
for your baby.
Oh, okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. Look how sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Definitely.
Aw. Look. She got a cute little outfit. Oh, I love it.
She's still like in April, right?
What?
Like in April?
Yeah, she's due in April. Yep. So
I figured it out.
yeah, she's due in April. So, and I have like little tiny babies, so probably in like August or September she'll get to wear this. Thank you.
Nice. Yeah.
With boys, like there's nothing fun like ruffles and, you know, like little tiny bows and stuff. So I love the girl stuff. Well, thank you so much.
Definitely.
Alright. That's so thoughtful. Aw. The best.
We have pink everywhere.
Uh-huh.
Everywhere.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Hey, mama.
Always.
She's home now.
You got such thick hair. You could put like bows in it. Yes, and barrettes. Everything. You pull on Mama's hair. Well, good. Well, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you. Yes,
You guys
ma'am.
are working it out.
Yeah.
Figuring out those little babies. They're hard when they don't talk to tell you
Yeah.
exactly what they need. Like, I would do anything for you. Just tell me what
That's
you
how
want.
we was. We was like, just tell us what you want.
Yeah. But it's like a guessing game, and then you get to learn who she is. Yes.
The puppies love her.
Really?
Yeah, when
Yeah.
she cries, they start barking.
Uh-huh.
Go get her.
Mommy, handle this.
Mommy, daddy, yes. The little
Just
queen
like-
needs something.
I was taking my first dump when I got home, and I put her in her bed, and the dog, we have a Yorkie, just kept running back and forth to the
Like you
restroom.
to the baby.
What are you doing? Like, come on
Why
now.
did you leave her over there? Yeah. Well, Mommy's got to do some self-love. And I want to encourage you guys, leave her with your mom or something and go out on a date like in the next month or two. Okay, that's your job.
Not
to
this
plan.
weekend.
Or this
My
weekend.
birthday tomorrow.
Okay.
So we might do something.
Yeah. Okay. Well, there you go. So just, you got to like keep your relationship strong
Yeah, definitely.
for her, you know,
Mhm.
so. All right, well, I'll let you get dressed. You guys can check
Thank
out.
you.
You're
Definitely.
welcome.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much for doing the Lone Star thing.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, that was so sweet.
Okay. See you later.
Bye.
You gonna go with Dad?
No, I don't want to go with Daddy.
You wanna
No.
dress me?
Alright. Alright, you guys. So, appointment's pretty much over. We're about to go eat, honey. Yep,
Yeah.
we're going to eat. She don't got to answer it. We finna go eat. I don't know where, because anything I've been eating lately been messing my stomach up. All right, you guys, we about to go eat.
I was like,
They just asked us who does she look like. And they both said her. So she definitely getting my attitude.
I love her.
You're gonna get my attitude, mama. You're gonna get my attitude. You're gonna be very rude to people.
That's not a good thing. Can't be saying that to her.
You're gonna be rude
She has
and
to have a
100.
good heart.
She's gonna be straight up to everybody. You're gonna be straight up to everybody. All right, you guys. We got baby girl right here and baby girl right here.
Sorry.
She's on the pool table, y'all. What's up, you guys? Today my birthday, actually. Welcome back to the channel, Sweet Black Vlogs. Happy birthday, D Black. Hey, we about to go out for brunch. I hope y'all can hear me over this AC, but it is hot. But we about to go to brunch. This place called Breadwinners. Get a bloody orange, you know, a little mimosas, you know. It's all right. She's still breastfeeding, so the baby gonna get a little of that in her. She's gonna be like. But yeah, man, we about to go have a little brunch for my birthday. Might go out tonight. Y'all stay tuned for the vlog. I was going to end the vlog yesterday after the baby appointment and stuff, but I'm gonna get this long, good 20-minute vlog, damn near 20-minute vlog for y'all. Cause I'd rather drop a long vlog than, you know, 7-8 minute vlogs twice a week. So yeah, y'all stay tuned.
This is the emergency broadcast system. The CDC is advising that you stay in your homes and walk home.
We show up.
Alright, y'all, so we just left Target. We was stuck, well, my wife was stuck in Target. I was in a Jeep with baby Daniela. So we headed home and everything is pitch black over here. Like, no lights are on. Only lights you see is the car lights. And it's like the traffic lights, there's no traffic lights. We just left the fair, as y'all seen. Look at this. Like, this is Walmart. No lights. Seemed like the tornado came through here, honestly. So if all these lights are off, I'm sure our lights are off at the house. Damn. What did Liz say?
She said she has some done.
Well, look, Subway and damn. Okay, now the lights are starting to come back on. So it's probably just that area. Probably like a power light or something. I don't know. But Wingstop and Subway, all these places are still lit up. We going to Cane's? Okay.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party.
We show up in the party. We show up in the party. We show up in the party.
What's up, everybody? We about to go ahead to get some breakfast. Vanessa wanted Denny's. I wanted chicken. I'm gonna find something good to eat up here at Denny's though. So I know y'all seen the little scene when we were driving and it was pitch black. Well, that was a couple of days ago. It was a tornado actually. So when I said Vanessa got stuck in the Target, she went in to get some dog food. You go ahead and explain.
Okay, so we were heading home from the fair, and on our way home, we have to drive by where the tornado hit pretty hard. So I was like, we didn't even know, like, they didn't even warn us about a tornado or nothing at all. When we had looked at the radar, it said it was gonna start raining at 11. So that's why we were taking like our time at the fair and everything. And then when we drove by Target, I was like, can we just stop by Target and get some dog food? And he was like, yeah. He always hesitates about stopping by Target. He'll be like, no, fuck that, like, you can come another day, or just no, not even. And he just pulled into Target, and I was like, okay, perfect. So I got off. I left my phone in the car charging too. And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go really quick. He said, can you just go get the dog food and hurry up? I said, yes, I promise. So I got out, and then I walked into Target, and I was like, oh my god, like, there's nobody here. Like, the whole place looked empty. And if you ever been to Target, that's weird. So I was like, where is everybody at? So as soon as I go into the first aisle, the lady is like, I need you to step over here. I can't have anybody walking around. We're under tornado watch. And we were by the fitting rooms and stuff, and I was like, what the hell? Like, my baby and my husband are in the car waiting. So I'm like, I'm worried, sick. I'm about to start crying because I didn't even have my phone to let them know, like, hey, tornado's about to hit us or whatever. I even thought it was just like a drill, you know, like, that's what I was trying to tell myself. And so I didn't even have my phone to call. And there's this lady next to me, like, FaceTiming her babies, and her babies are like, we're out of lights, like, there's no lights here. And the lights at Target, they were like flashing on and off, like, it was really scary. And I was like, hey, can I borrow your phone so I can call my husband? He's in the car with my baby. And everybody, like, around me, they're like, oh my god, no, like, tell him to come in, like, this is gonna be bad. And I was like, oh shit. So I called him, and I was like, hey, it's about to be a tornado, they're not letting me leave. And this lady, like, she had a car full of stuff that she had already paid for. So that's when I was like, okay, like, they're not even letting her leave. Like, this is kind of serious. So I was like, can you just come in or whatever? He was like, you shouldn't have came here. I was like, I know, but we're already here. Which it was kind of a good thing for us to have kind of chill at Target, because when we actually got closer, well, the tornado actually did hit right where we were at. It didn't hit Target, of course, but it did hit this Home Depot that was right behind Target. And we were all just at Target. The lights were going on and off. It was crazy. And I mean, we didn't know what was going on outside, really. Des was in the car with the baby, and he said that the car isn't moving. He said that a lightning had hit a car, so he was scared to get out. But he did come in there with us. We were in there for like about 5 minutes, and then, well, when he got there, then they released us. And
so that was pretty much what happened. I didn't record inside Target because I didn't think. She was like, you should vlog it. I was like, man, I'm not. This is a serious matter right now. I'm not about to vlog us about to get sucked in a damn tornado. But I should have vlogged it, but I didn't. But I did get the after effect y'all seen on the roads and stuff. It was pitch black. But yeah, we about to go in here to Denny's and eat. Then we'll end the vlog once we get back out, man. We have a lot busy schedule coming up. So like we promised y'all, this video is gonna be a good 20 minutes or close to 20 minutes. So we're about to go eat, and then we'll finish the vlog up once we get out of there. Alright, you guys, we home. Baby girl over there, knocked out. Hope y'all enjoyed this long video. This is pretty much how we're gonna start vlogging. We'll do everything we do throughout the week, combine it in a video and stretch it out. Thank y'all for watching this video. You got anything?
Nope. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
What the hell are you pointing at?
I don't know. I guess the subscribe button's down there. And then the notification button's up there. We just make sure wherever the buttons are.
I don't know what make sure you like.
I was doing
and
what Fernando
subscribe and make sure you hit the bell. Like, I don't know what she talking about, y'all. But
Well, you
please
obviously don't.
please do. All right, we go. All right, you guys. So we finally back home. Baby girl over there asleep. Why am I stupid?
Because you made me restart the video.
Oh, hell no. All right, you guys, take 3. All right, this is the real one.
Literally.
This is the real one. Nah, but for real though, we hope y'all like the video. Subscribe like she said. Like the video if you really like it. Comment. We really love the comments. Don't forget about the giveaway in the previous video. If you want to learn how to win, you got to go watch the previous video. Yeah. Sweet Black Nation, man, we out. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Probably sometime next week we'll drop another one. Sometime maybe in a few days we'll drop another one. You got to subscribe. You got to hit the bell in order to know when.
Damn, I was already waving goodbye and you kept talking.
I think somebody wants you.
Well, I gotta go. Bye, you guys.
Peace, you guys.
Black diamonds, black out, black